Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Can you guess what we're doing today? Yep, that's right, some more ivy. So it's just been growing up this fence for a while and it looks naff. And it's not doing any good to the fence, as you guys know. You might have seen some of the videos before where I've done ivy. But yeah, it's not looking good. So we're gonna crack on with this, guys. And if you haven't already, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That'd be awesome, really helps the channel out. And if you want, leave a comment, that'd be cool. You know, I reply to all my comments, whether it's a thumbs up or you know, whatever. If you leave a question, I'll answer it. So cheers, guys. Right, let's get down to it and we'll crack on. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so if you live in the UK and you use feather edged fencing like this, and if you do start to see ivy growing on it, take it off immediately, because as you can see here, once the ivy takes over, what it would do is it'll push these panels apart and then you've had it really. So there's not a lot you can do unless you're, I mean, I can't go next door so I can't put it away, but it's damaging each and every panel here. As you can see, it's all starting to grow between. So if you see it on your feather edge panels, guys, take it off straight away. so that's us done today. I was only here for an hour. It's all the customer wanted. So what we're going to do is next visit we come back, we're just sort of try and get a bit more off sort of behind the shed. It's a little bit difficult because it's quite tight, but so far so good, guys. Unfortunately it's growing from next door, so there's not a lot I can do about digging it out. I know it's going to come back, but yeah, so thanks a lot guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe guys, that'd be awesome, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.